Welcome back to Code with Chandra. Before moving on to the today's topic, and this is the channel which you are in, and I have updated the playlist, that is Kubernetes, DevOps Career, and Python for complete beginners, and Docker Kubernetes, along with the Tomcat and Python complete course, and AWS Cloud Computing for beginners. So thank you for your support, and you can keep the eye on this playlist, and I have updated for the series wise for the beginners, and you can learn from scratch, so no coding is required, no experience is required. So now let's move on to, if you are not subscribed yet, you can click on subscribe button and comment it below if you have any questions. Now today's topic is how to deploy code automatically with GitHub Actions. This is the series which I have created earlier for top 3 DevOps tools, and this is the second part. And so how to deploy code automatically with GitHub Actions. So in this short tutorial, what you will learn: so GitHub Action workflow setup and automated deployment process. Now we can create the new repository first. The step number 1, create the new repository. So give some actions I am giving simply. So give some description, and pipeline GitHub Actions. So configuration you can choose according to your needs. And so if I am adding the readme file, and I am not adding ignore and license file, and click on create repository. Okay, now repository is ready. Now you can click on this actions, the next step. So here you can see this simple workflow setup, and you can click on this configure link. No changes is required. By default, Git will generate some script for you, and here is the simple run command and echo hello world. This is the sample script for workflow setup in GitHub Action. So commit the changes. I'm using the commit and creating the workflow. Okay, so basic setup workflow. Now commit the changes. So you will not see any. So simply refresh this page and go to actions. You will see the build was automatically triggered. Click on this. You can see this build. So build was success. Now you can try to edit this, and that is the default one, right? So try to edit. Now I'm changing it to hello world to Chandra. And before moving into this cancel changes, you want to see the actual what the message you got in action. Build setup, you can click on this, use the build, and one line script you can see here is hello world. So I want to change this. Okay, now go back one step. So blank.yaml file is there, so you can click on the blank.yaml file and edit the change. So I'm editing to hello world is there, so I'm editing to Chandra. Since it is completely a beginner setup, so I'm not giving the complex one for you guys. Commit changes, and it will think, and just change the greeting workflow script and commit changes. So build was automatically triggered. You can click on actions. No change is required. So that is the workflow setup for the beginner friendly tutorial. And if you love this one, hit one like and comment it below if you have any questions, and share it with your network if they might help on this. See, the build was success, and you can check out the message what line was changed. See, hello Chandra. This is how no manual step is required, or simply your site is deployed instantly. No more manual uploads or FTP clients. Okay, file transfer protocol clients. That means you have to share files with the GitHub repository, nothing. So this is the simple tutorial. You can follow for more DevOps automation tutorial. Which tool should I cover next? You can comment it below. Happy learning.